Hi, I'm Stephanie, the PT with the Note Ninjas, and together with Nicole, we help PTs, OTs, and assistants with treatment ideas and documentation tips. So today we're going to show you an activity you can do with, this is the bananagram. You can also use Scrabble pieces, or you can write letters on index cards. You can do this any way you want. But we enjoy doing stuff like this because we can do a physical task and a cognitive task. And it can really be used for so many different functional activities. It keeps the patient engaged and it's kind of fun and exciting. So there's different things we can do. So one is obviously we can just stand at the counter and have them spell out words. We could have them take a letter, sidestep to the end of the table, put it down, step back, working on sidestepping, backward stepping. We could have them stand on a foam pad and spell out some words. Or we also really like the one where we can grab a letter, pivot, and place on the table behind. This can really be used for setting the table, to work on step pivot, to work on balance. See if I can spell a word. I don't know about that. See, it really works on physical and the cognitive piece. And it's great. You just put in your documentation what you did. Remember, you don't have to be worried. You don't have to go into detail about use bananagram, blah, blah, blah. You can just say you did a cognitive activity or activity working on balance and have the patient presented and what you did about it. It does not have to be a long, drawn out thing. Just really the skill it worked on and what you provided to the patient. So we hope this helped. Make sure to follow the Note Ninjas for more activity ideas and documentation tips.